All right, so now that we understand what a sales funnel is, let's look at what will it do for you? Okay, how is this going to matter to your business and your goals? So, here are the most likely outcomes and results that you can achieve with a sales funnel. And the first is that you can grow your email list. And this is crucial. So if you remember the example that we saw where in one case you could just send traffic to an Amazon page, they would check out, and then that's it. You never get to follow up with them again. Or the second one with the sales funnel where you got their email address, you always want that second option. You always want to grow your email list because then you can follow up with people. And even if they didn't purchase the first time that they saw your offer in the funnel, you can tell them about it through email marketing, through your autoresponder sequence. You follow up with them, you share your story, you tell them more about your product, you build a relationship with them, and you will close more sales over time. Email marketing is still number one for sales. So you always want to be growing your email list. And on top of that, that means that you control your own traffic. Once you have that email list, you have a dedicated audience that you can come back to and you can promote new offers and launch new ideas to. And you don't always have to pay Facebook or Google or somebody to get traffic to your sites because you have a way now to reach people. And even just on social media for free, reach is getting smaller all the time. I'm sure you see everybody complaining about it, and so you have to pay even just to get your Instagram or your Facebook posts seen. So when you have an email list and you have your own traffic and your own audience, that is huge for your business. And then, when people come to your funnel, one of the things that they can do is they can register for a webinar. So a funnel is a really easy way to help get those registrations. You could also have people schedule free consultations. That's a great reason that people will opt in on your lead capture page. And then once you get into that sales funnel, you can close sales 24/7 on autopilot. This is where it starts getting exciting, right? Where you're making that money while you sleep. You don't have to be closing sales on the phone or in person. You have a funnel running it for you. And so it's doing it, all hours of the day and the night, no matter what you're doing. If you're relaxing on the beach, you're playing golf, you're taking a nap, you're with your friends, your family, all that time, your sales funnel is working for you, closing sales and bringing in money. And like we saw with the book example, a sales funnel allows you to offset your advertising costs by starting off your funnel with a low cost offer. That money that you get coming in on that first little offer, it's called a tripwire offer. That's going to be enough to cover your advertising costs. So then everything else in the funnel is pure profits, and if you're just going to a website or something, you might not be able to offset those costs. They're really just coming out of the profits, out of what you're making on that one item that a person might purchase. So it's another great way to use a funnel. A benefit of them. And then finally, you can increase your revenue. You can have those order bumps. You can have upsell and downsell pages after a customer has made their initial purchase. And that's going to allow you, again, not only to offset those advertising costs, but then to make increased revenue per customer. So your profits are going to go up and they're going to go up more quickly. So this is what a sales funnel can do for you, for your business. It's going to really let you take control of your business and not have it just be in Facebook's hands or Google's hands or whatever. You get your own traffic, you have your email list you can follow up with, and you're going to close more sales over time, and then you're going to close sales 24/7. Okay? So that is how a sales funnel is going to help you. And now let's go ahead and dive into our next video.